Hi and welcome to Happy Kitty Kitchen. Today we're making paratha bread from scratch and filling it with cheese, Tabasco and chips Oman. We love chips Oman. Let's start by making our paratha dough by adding all-purpose flour to our mixing bowl, adding in our salt, our sugar, yogurt, olive oil, egg and a splash of water. We're going to add in the water gradually as the dough mixes, and depending on how dry it is, we may be adding in the full half cup of water or more. Knead your dough by hand or by machine for about 8 to 10 minutes until you have this beautiful dough that slightly bounces back after poking it. Then transfer it to a clean surface to start sectioning out your dough balls. Make sure that they're almost equal size. Those are going to be your separate breads. Cover your dough balls with oil so they don't dry out and let them rest for an hour. Just make sure you cover them well to seal in the moisture. After an hour, uncover and you can start flattening out your dough the way that we did here. Look at that beautiful transparency, but it's still staying together. That's what you want. Once it's stretched out into this flat sheet, we're going to add a drizzle of oil, rub it all over that surface before we pick it up and hold it like a towel, and then fold it into a swirl and flatten it out into a circle. And make sure to flatten it out and make it a little bigger because it will shrink in the pan. Once you have bubbled and brown spots on one side, flip the paratha over to get the same result on the other side, and that's it. Fill your paratha bread with anything you like cheese and omelette, or in our case, we spread some cream cheese in there and we like the Pook brand or Puck, we're not sure, and drizzle some Tabasco in there, then crumble some chips Oman and call it a day. If you don't have access to chips Oman, feel free to add in any chili flavored chips of your choice. These are good to keep in the fridge for 3 days after cooking, or you can also freeze them without the fillings, obviously. You can freeze them for 3 months, and whenever you're craving a paratha sandwich, you can defrost it by cooking it back on the pan or using a microwave. Hope you liked this video, and as usual, have a great day from Happy Kitty Kitchen. Bye!